Afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing Topps Archive Signature Baseball for Andrew. Two of 12. Hall of Fame autograph. Raleigh Fingers. Numbers game out of Allen and Ginter. That's a neat card. The mustache. One of one. Hall of Fame autograph Bowman's Best. Ivan Rodriguez. That's nice. Six of 19. Hall of Famer Steve Carlton. 1984 Topps. Man, you're three of three of Hall of Fame autographs. Not 4-4, but a good player. 21 of 25, John Olerud. Yeah, good picking. And last one, Andrew, good luck. Oh, my favorite player. Carl Yastrzemski, 1 of 1. Topps Fire. Congrats, Andrew.
Cool.
Yeah, Topps Fire.
I like that. Hey, that Pudge was a 1-of-1.
Yeah.
I didn't hear that.
That was 4 of 5 Hall of Famers, and 2 of them were 1 of 1.
A couple more 1-of-1s for your collection.
Yeah.
This might be a 1-of-1 hot case.
Well, you've seen him in the
That's a
past.
good-looking card.
I don't know. You got to hand it to him on the Fire. It actually, for a glossy card, looks pretty nice.